The Little Dreamer, a tale of hard work. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, there lived a boy named Rohan. He was no ordinary child. At the tender age of 10, his determination and work ethic set him apart from the others. Though his family was poor, Rohan's heart was rich with dreams and an unshakable belief that hard work could transform his future. Rohan lived with his parents and younger sister, Meera, in a modest home with a thatched roof and earthen floors. His father was a farmer who toiled endlessly in the fields, while his mother managed their humble household with unwavering patience and care. Despite their struggles, the family's love for one another was unbreakable. Every morning before the sun rose, Rohan would wake up to the crowing of the rooster. While other children his age might have still been tucked away in their warm beds, Rohan would slip on his worn-out sandals and head to the fields with his father. He would help plow the land, sow seeds, and water the crops. Though his small hands ached and his feet were sore by the end of the day, he never complained. Instead, he found joy in watching the seeds sprout into plants, knowing that his hard work was helping to feed his family. One day, while walking to school after a morning's work in the fields, Rohan noticed a woodcarver's workshop. Intrigued, he paused to observe the craftsmen skillfully shaping a block of wood into a beautiful bird. The woodcarver's hands moved with precision, his tools slicing and chiseling as if they were guided by magic. "Can I try?" Rohan asked timidly, his eyes wide with curiosity. The woodcarver, a kind old man named Ramji, smiled warmly. "Of course, young one. But carving requires patience and hard work. Are you ready for that?" Rohan nodded eagerly. That evening, after finishing his chores and homework, he returned to the workshop. Ramji handed him a small block of wood and a simple carving tool. "Start with something simple," he advised. "Try to make a cube." For weeks, Rohan practiced every evening under Ramji's guidance. At first, his hands were clumsy and his cuts were uneven. But he persisted, his determination as strong as the towering mountains surrounding the village. Slowly, he began to improve. His cubes became smoother, his shapes more defined, and his confidence grew with each passing day. As time went on, Rohan's skills blossomed. He began carving animals, birds, and even intricate designs. The villagers soon took notice of his talent, and many started commissioning small carvings for their homes. Rohan's earnings, though modest, helped his family buy essentials they had previously gone without. More importantly, it filled him with a sense of pride and purpose. Despite his growing responsibilities, Rohan never neglected his studies. He carried his books to the fields, reading aloud to Meera while they tended to the crops. On weekends, he tutored his sister, teaching her everything he learned in school. His dream was not just for himself but for his entire family to rise above their hardships. One fateful day, the village elder announced a competition to be held in the town's market square. The challenge was to create a piece of art that symbolized hope and resilience. The winner would receive a scholarship to a prestigious school in the city. Rohan's heart raced as he heard the news. This was his chance to change his life and help his family. He decided to carve a sculpture of a bird soaring toward the sky, its wings wide open, symbolizing freedom and dreams taking flight. For weeks, Rohan worked tirelessly on his masterpiece. He spent hours perfecting every detail, from the delicate feathers to the determined expression on the bird's face. His hands were calloused, and his eyes burned from lack of sleep, but he refused to give up. The day of the competition arrived, and the market square buzzed with excitement. People from neighboring villages gathered to admire the entries. When Rohan unveiled his sculpture, a horse fell over the crowd. The bird seemed almost alive, its wings poised mid-flight, as if ready to take off into the endless blue sky. The judges were astounded by Rohan's work. This sculpture speaks volumes about the spirit of hope and hard work, one of them remarked. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. When the winner was announced, Rohan's name echoed across the square. Tears welled up in his eyes as he stepped forward to accept the scholarship. The villagers cheered, their pride for the little boy who had achieved so much filling the air. Rohan's life changed forever that day. With the scholarship, he moved to the city to study at the prestigious school. Though he missed his family and village, he carried their love and support in his heart. He continued to work hard, excelling in both academics and art. Years later, Rohan returned to his village as a successful artist and entrepreneur. He built a larger home for his family and set up a school to teach children the value of education and hard work. His story became an inspiration, a shining example of how dreams, when combined with perseverance, can truly take flight. And so, the little dreamer who once carved his future out of wood proved that with determination and effort, even the smallest of hands can create the most extraordinary of lives.